Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So today was the second day of my washroom renovation. Today the plumber team had come and they did some job. They were here like an hour and tomorrow an electrician is gonna come. So let me tell you what they did exactly. So they did two things. Like number one was like because washer dryer are gonna come here, so they had established this connection for water. Like this will be connected to my washer. Okay, dryer is gonna go up here. Okay, this light is gonna be moved later by electrician, so they had to make some cuts in the drywall. Okay, they have moved this line because we will have vanity here, and next that's gonna be toilet. That's the place for toilet where it was taken out and thrown out. Okay, so we'll have vanity here. Okay, of course this garbage they will be throwing, and yeah, and this will go here. They will just 1 hour. So tomorrow when they come, tomorrow what I anticipate, I am not sure, probably they will make some cuts here in the wall at the bottom. Let me correct it. Yeah, there's some the bottom, and they will take some wiring here, and that will go all the way to it should come somewhere here, because when they are gonna establish a dryer here, dryer needs a heavy electricity plug. So probably somewhere here or here they are gonna establish. Of course they are gonna make a cut here because this light is gonna come this side. Okay, and this dryer vent they have planned to connect all the way to this exhaust so that it goes out. Okay, and that is the most important reason we are going for this project. So yeah, that's it for now guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Today was the second day, tomorrow is going to be the third day. You can see the mark of vanity. Hopefully definitely it will be fixed because they have purchased paint also based on my choice. They will apply the paint also. So yeah, we'll show you tomorrow. But one thing I really like, the way they have taken the tiles out. I was worried initially that they may break this bathtub. No, but not even a single impact I see there, at least as per my naked eyes. And this is the vent. Okay, yeah, it is still working, no doubt. So yeah, that's how it is guys. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.